Hey, what's up? This is Paul Solt with a quick tip on CloudKit database. You can save a query. So I just learned that this is the zone I want for CloudKit. I select my model object once I have it so I can search it. And if I query records, then I see that there's a save option up here. So let's say I wanted to only do a subset and just do this, and let's do coffee weight. If I query records, I can then save this query and I can save it as, let's just do test. And then what I was noticing is let's leave this container, let's go to my other container, and then let's come back and we go to records and we click on save queries. We can just click on this, takes us right to our data. So that's super useful. I think it was defaulting to that, but I'm not positive. So that was super helpful when dealing with these queries because it keeps resetting to the public database when I want to be looking at the private database to sort of see what's going on. So that's a little quick tip. If you like that, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.